Notice that this channel is only earning $16,000 per month from posting automated short videos. According to data from Nox Influencer and Social Blade, they could be earning hundreds of thousands from sponsorships and other revenue. Watch their most recent video.
Did you know that spider silk is stronger than steel? Spider silk is able to withstand impact forces from flying insects,
where they primarily discuss interesting facts about animals. You could do the same thing with a laptop and an internet connection in just 10 minutes. Go to the GPT asset chat and list 10 fascinating species. Then pick any animal you prefer. Next, add GPT and write 30 to 50 words with fascinating details about your choice. You can extend it if you'd want, and then copy those words to your clipboard. Click the link in my description to go to Play.ht. This is what you'll see on your screen. Next, if you already have an account, click Log In. If this is your first time here, click Create Free AI Voiceover and fill out the form. In my case, I just signed up with Google. Next, click Create Audio and select Ultra Realistic Voice. Finally, paste your script into the text box. Although Larry is the AI's default voice, you can select another one by clicking it. You can see how their voices differ according on gender, accent, age, style, and more in the header section. You may now experiment with several voice samples to see which one you like best. Annie will be my choice. Simply click the name and select Apply to All Paragraphs from the menu that appears on the side. When you're finished designing your voice, click Confirm. On this side, there is a green button that says Generate Preview. Click it, and then wait a few seconds. You can also vary the speed, but I'll stick with the usual normal speed. When it's finished, press the play button and give it a review.
Sharks, the apex predators of the ocean, are a diverse group of fish with fascinating characteristics.
Don't worry, although clicking this button will download a wavy file, it will still work for the following step. Visit Canva. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up and type YouTube Shorts in the Canvas search bar. When you have uploaded the WAV file you just downloaded, hold on to it and drag it to your work area. Next, let's seek for free websites that provide copyright-free stock video. If you can locate your desired graphic there, just look for it on other websites. I'll utilize pixels for mine. Search bar without pixels. Given that we are using these for shorts, I'll look for sharks. I can now quickly find what I'm looking for by selecting the photos you find relevant. Drag and drop your video. Then reposition the pages as desired. If the video still has sound, click volume and set it to 0 to mute it. And use your time to edit as creatively as possible so that viewers enjoy your video. And this is an example of my edits. Next, utilize YouTube's built-in music library. Then select Audio Library from your profile on YouTube. Return to Canva once it's finished, drag it to your project, modify its position to match the other elements, and then look at what we've produced thus far. If you believe it is prepared, please download your file. However, there is still a requirement for subtitles in order to obtain automatically generated subtitles. Visit vid.io, I incorporate it with other connections. Given that I already have an account, as I specified in the description, I was sent to this page. On the left sidebar, select Subtitles. Then Auto Subtitle after clicking New Video, Create Project, and successfully uploading your video clip. There are more than 100 languages available here, but I'll pick English. Play the video when your subtitles have generated for a short while. If you think some tags are delayed, just do a few adjustments once you're satisfied with outcome, click Done, then export video. Last but not least, upload the video.
Did you know that spider silk is stronger than steel? Spider silk is able to withstand...
Sharks, the apex predators of the ocean, are a diverse group of fish.
If you found this article helpful, click the like button and think about sharing it. I'll be uploading more videos to show you how to make money for free, so click subscribe and turn on all notifications to be the first to know. Keep in mind that making ideas happen is more important than having ideas.